Poke them in the eye, punch them in the nose, pour salt and lemon in their face.
But Abuela, isn't there salt in the ocean?
This is table salt. Sal y limón, sal y limón, sal y limón, sal y limón. I know. No.
Abuela, what happened?
I just came from watching 47 meters down uncaged. Ay, niña, las muchachitas que se fueron, they left their family.
Abuela, that's a movie.
Sí, ese movie.
Sí, a movie.
A movie. There are sharks in the ocean. Are those green screens?
Abuela, you're just scared of sharks.
Scared. Yo no tengo miedo, ¿ok? Yo soy cubana.
Guys, there's a shark!
In order to defeat the shark, you need the right weapon. Mira, the pool floaties. This is in case you run out of air. Y también tú sabes que you're strong to... the shark. Aceite de oliva, olive oil.
What is that for?
¿Por qué? So that the shark cannot get to you if you are slippery.
Ave María.
Así, the flares. Así hacen los niños, pero they go to the sky. Look, mira, in case you are hungry, some rice and beans y una tostonera.
La tostonera. ¿Para qué?
¿Para qué? Para hacer tostones and to hit the shark. Así, mira. Papao al shark. Vaporru.
I see.
Sí, para todo.
I see.
Para todo. Because the shark don't like the smell. The most important of all, mira. ¡Ha! La chancla. This will scare the shark. Sharks can smell fear, so you need to be tranquilita.
This place is a maze. We're going to die down here.
Poke them in the eyes. Punch them in the nose. Pour salt and lemon in their face, en los ojos, and then they're going to go blind.
But Abuela, isn't there salt in the ocean?
You are now ready. The power of the chancla is yours.
I'm gonna make you proud, Abuela.